Yes, I'm listening to Alanis Morissette. Yes, I'm in the chat. And yes, my cat is quite happily watching the mouse pointer going across the screen. Say hi, Kai. We all done, Kai? You all done? No? Okay. Good boy. Good mommy boy. No choice but to hear you. You stated your case time and again. I heard about it. You treat me like I'm a princess and show saying penis. Thank you, it's not even singing, is it? You asked how my day was. Oh no, it was Bonnie saying penis. Cheryl laughing. There you go.